We are now at Homestead Speedway for a Red Bull Miami event for F1. So our friend Gustavo Yakiman from Yakiman Academy is throwing this event with Red Bull and Ford. We're here, and it's here.
I guess I'll be on my way now.
So he's invited us down with the carts. So we're gonna see our friends like Corey Funk.
Nothing like a 12 o'clock twist at 8 a.m.
And some motorsports here. So a lot of like locals as well with race cars. So we're gonna go rip.
Yeah, I'm already putting them to work. You got the shot? You got the shot?
Got the marquee shot.
Oh, God. This guy can't wait to ride.
Quadruple tandems. How you doing on this thing?
These things are fun.
A little bit of learning curve.
These things are rad, yeah. These things are super sick.
Definitely rides completely different than you expect, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
bro. This is crazy.
Tutorial. I have the right shoes on. Okay.
Fresh white boy, the fresh white boy. We're Hoka. Let's get sponsored by
Fresh
Hoka's on
Hokas,
the
baby.
channel.
I need them.
A Cham Skrilla arrived.
Yes, sir. A wild chip skillet.
I have a question.
What up?
How many miles per gallon does the DJ car get?
About like 14, 15 miles to the gallon on the highway.
That's more than I thought.
Like 11, 12 in the city. It really just depends, you know? Wow, Red Bull. Crazy carts give you wings.
That's the Formula 3 driver, right?
Formula 3 driver, yes.
all about, having fun.
It's always natural. Spreading the stress.
Good job, buddy. Natural. What we got? Acai bowls over
Look
here?
at this. Ernie. Are you Ernie?
Ernie?
Oh, I'm not Ernie.
Let me see. Show me the label.
General manager. All right. So,
Wow.
Ernie, this guy's doing a good job.
Dude,
Big shout out.
Thank you. What's up? You want one too, my man? Absolutely. I love acai bowls.
He loves acai bowls.
Honey, flaxseed, chia seed. Help yourself, my brother.
Okay, thank you so
Wow.
much. Battery for this?
There you go. Look at that thing. It's like a goddamn game controller. Fruit rolla. How do you feel in here?
No, that's sick.
I don't know, Nick. I think you look good in there.
Loaded me up with water.
Just the glass.
How do you feel in there?
I feel squeezy like a Jeezy. I'm ready.
Am I fitting in there?
Let's go. Oh my, no. No way.
Stop regular.
Abby, what do you think? Fun?
Yeah.
Fun or scary?
I love danger.
Yo, Corey Funk, shredder.
Shredder.
Corey's a shredder.
The cameraman! The cameraman's off the hook, bro! Oh my god! Oh god!
First D on that shit. Let's go.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. In the bush.
Nick, you got that or what?
Watching. Figure it out.
Oh,
Sorry, come again. Bro flipped it. Oh my god.
Every time.
ADHD not in line, but I was like, my goal is to be that. So I have a team together that can help me kind of make that happen. And I can still tell you, it can be a lot better than that. But the goal is to kind of give you the full understanding of what my scope and understanding is. So I can get ahead, but also be very far ahead, but also serve everyone while being able to do the passionate things that I love. It's like, it's not really it's like me filming my life, but I'm turning into a way for people to be able to love it, and also people that do love it can also love what I'm doing too.